here. ¿Tú cuál vas a querer? ¿Tú qué vas a querer?
Alright guys, and we're back. Got our stuff here. And we're watching the challenge again.
Chicken nuggets, couple of fries, cheeseburger, pineapple. Lourdes, let me know when I'm ready to start.
So the rules were 20 chicken nuggets in 5 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna see if we can beat it. So here we go. We bought 20 chicken nuggets for her, 20 for me. So we are going to start. Okay.
5 minutes.
All right.
Okay.
Let's do this. This here.
Give us a second.
Do you want to use these or same difference? Huh?
Oh my gosh, we would change the music. We got Wheels on the Bus. We got
And this is my drink right here.
We got Gianna's Music on my YouTube. So
Sherry
let me
Coke.
search really quickly for some music so you guys don't hear us chew. Okay? So
Barbecue
let's go ahead
or
and start it.
I want this.
Barbecue and sweet and sour is mine.
There you go.
Okay. Alright guys, so we're doing our next challenge, which is 20 chicken nuggets in 5 minutes. You
What's
use your
the
phone.
time?
Yeah, your phone's over there.
Oh, let me get my phone, guys.
And we're gonna see if we can beat it. Let me pour my cherry Coke. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, let me put this on the floor. Okay.
Here's the time.
I got my chicken nuggets here. Okay, and I like tangy barbecue and sweet and sour.
So I'm gonna put the time right here, and then I'll start.
And we also got ketchup too. Where's the bag?
Pretty low.
Okay. And we got a little bit of ketchup too. So, how has everybody been?
Pretty cool. I just like spicy buffalo. That's my favorite. I don't like barbecue that much.
You don't like barbecue at all.
And I want ketchup. I'm not gonna use this.
You could use this one.
I need a lot of ketchup.
Whatever. And we also got some fries.
I'm gonna start the time.
So, are you ready to start the time?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Let's move these here.
Here, don't.
What happened to the control? Okay. So we're gonna put this like this. Put this right over here. And we are going to start the timer. We have 5 minutes. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. And we're going to start.
Yeah?
It started.
Spicy.
I love chicken nugget. I love chicken nugget.
Don't know what happened with my music.
So how has everybody been? Giovanni, Lourdes. I know Lourdes is making mass for the family. So we want to say thank you for that, for spending your time, money, patience, everything. So shout out to Lourdes for making us custom masks. Um, how is little Celeste?
Ooh.
Her mom, Lizette, Pablo.
Hi guys.
Who else do we have? We have Diana, Sophia, Kylie, Greg.
Pretty good.
Griselda and Max. I've been seeing your guys' challenges. You guys are pretty cool. I mean, I've always thought you guys were cool, hanging out with you guys and everything, partying it up. But it's pretty cool to see the family getting together and doing these challenges while, you know, we're far from each other and the situation we're in.
Me atoró. Buffalo. It's really good.
I think I gained some weight with all these challenges.
I'm gonna try the.
Hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's enjoying themselves.
I'm trying the barbecue, guys. Let's see.
Good or not good?
I don't like barbecue that much. I think que porque está como sweet. I think.
Who do we challenge for this?
Everybody.
Everybody and their mamas. Oh, shout your Tia Mari out.
Oh my dear Marie. I challenge her. Okay, guys.
Oh my god.
There goes 5. 10.
5.
10. Oh my god.
Wow.
What's your time? Okay.
Oh,
Even open
shoot. Our timer went off.
You did? Wait.
We only have a minute left. What the? I need to stop talking, guys.
A minute.
50 seconds.
Oh my god. This is so hard. A little bit of barbecue. Oh!
30 seconds. I'm losing. I'm not losing.
This is hard, guys. Really hard.
What the? 10 seconds, guys. 5, 4.
Time's up. It's hard, huh? Sure.
That was pretty hard. I think I was talking too much.
Yep. I think so. So I had, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So
I have 7 left, so that's 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yep. I had 13. You had 14. Wow.
almost there.
Alright,
hard.
guys.
It's hard.
We challenged the rest of you guys. And we will see you with the next challenge.
Ay.